Okay, so here we have the test setup. We have two 4-cell batteries, a battery there and a battery there, joined together. So we've got an 8-cell battery going through this speed controller over here, which you use this controller over here to control the speed controller. The speed controller controls the voltage frequency that goes to this motor over here. 2.8 kilowatt motor. It has a 24 by 14 inch propeller on there at the moment, which is not the correct size, but it will do for a simple test. So this is securely attached to this piece of wood, which will be my test set. So let's see what it does. So we turn the little knob a little bit. Alright, so got a fair bit of wind down this side. It's running. That's probably about 10% or 5% of its power. And spin it up a bit more. You can see the curtains are not happy.